everyone, cheers for returning. So just a little update video. Things been a bit hectic work wise, family wise. Life's just been getting in the way like it does. So not much building's been done. I have finished the Yaris. I think the only thing that's gone up so far is just the unboxing. I haven't fully edited the other videos, but it is now finished, so it's a sort of little sneaky peek down there. But I have been doing a few other sort of modelling bits and pieces. I entered my first show the other weekend, the Fens model show over in Ely in the UK. Never been to the show before. It's mainly sort of figure orientated, but they opened it up to vehicles this year, and I thought, it's only an hour up the road, I'll bite the bullet, I'll give it a go. So I did. It took 7, I think it was 7 builds with me. I'll pop a little picture up of the ones I took. Left them on the Saturday. A really good response from everyone that was there. They were interested in the cars as much as the figures, and for me, looking at the figures was very inspiring. That sort of stuff I do love looking at. I haven't got the skills to do it, but I do love looking at it, and it seemed to be repaid. They seemed to like the car builds as much as I enjoyed their builds. So yeah, left them on the Saturday. They were judged Saturday night, went up there on the Sunday, and as I walked in, there was a little sticker in front of the Zero Ferrari, the F40 Liberty Walk, to say that it had been awarded a medal. They run the gold, silver, bronze style competition. Didn't tell me what medal, so had to wait all day, and I found out that it was awarded a silver. So really chuffed with that. So first competition I've ever entered, and to pick up a silver in that was excellent. So yeah, that was chuffed. I was chuffed with that, and yeah, I'll be going back next year. Spoke to the judges, got a few ideas, what they liked about the builds, what they didn't like about the build. So I know what to work on, but sort of got the competition bug a little bit now. So there's a couple more coming up that I'm gonna try and enter, and we'll sort of see where we go for the rest of the year. Other than that, I've been buying a few bits and pieces as well, a few late birthday presents, and I was also gifted a kit that I've been looking at for years. It was my pin-up poster car from when I was younger, and that is this, the lovely McLaren F1 GTR 97, the pre-season testing one. To be honest with you, any of the Aoshima versions of this car are the ones to have. And yeah, I was lucky enough that a friend over on Instagram, Ian124 Rally, if you follow him, if you're on Instagram and you don't follow him, go and drop him a follow. His builds, mainly rally builds, really good builds, definitely worth checking out. But yeah, he kindly sent me this, so I was a bit taken aback when I opened the delivery, because I didn't know it was coming. But yeah, he's the top man for doing that. So this will be hitting the bench sometime soon, and it will be done in the black livery as well. Looking around, there is a white version, but the black one with the pink and the yellow markings, that's the way to go for me. So that's that. I have also picked up, as a bit of a late birthday present, Kent Models in the UK were having a sale on their nunu kits, so picked up the BMW M8 GTE. This, I'm not sure when this will be done. Got an idea for it. It won't be in this livery, it will be something else, but all will come clear as I'm building it. So yeah, that was one of them. And another sort of birthday present for myself was the nunu 911 RSR in the pink pig. This one will be done in the pink pig livery. I really do like this livery. It's an iconic one. I'm not going to mess around with it. This will be built straight out of the box in that. If the kit goes together well, which I think most people say it does, then I may pick up a few more and have a look at the other liveries. But yeah, Pink Pig will definitely be done in that. I've already got the fast scale colour match paints. And the last little delivery is a zoom on delivery. Never used them direct, always bought through someone in the UK or through other shops, but I thought I'd go to them direct this time. Delivery, what was about 7 days to the UK. Great prices, really good, so can't fault them, and I'll definitely be going back. So the bits I picked up are a set of decals, which I'm not going to show you because that's going to be for a little surprise build. Notice this on the website, a little bullet bicycle in 1/24. I see it, thought, yep, worth a little look. There's not many parts to it. It'll be a sort of little time killer build. And then it's got the Rothmans livery to go on it. So that's one of those, I think, weekends, if the kids are all busy, I can sit and do that. And then just a few sort of other detail parts. Picked up a Jägermeister decal set. Unfortunately, it's not going on the Alpha because I haven't got the Alpha as much as I'd love to. That's going on something else. And then, what else did I pick up? So some metal badges for Mazdas. I've got a Toyota Supra in the kit. I've been picking up little bits and pieces for it. So the exhaust, some steering wheel adapters, little washer jets for the bonnet, they look quite interesting. I've got a Tamiya Porsche in the stash, so picked up the picked up the PE set for it. Little metal tips, some yellow carpets. And that isn't a hint to the colour it's going, but there's some yellow carpets. And then little sunscreen. I thought that was quite different. I'm sure I can find a build to put that on. So yeah, that was everything that come from them. I'll say that, and the other kits. Hopefully I should be back at the bench soon, or building the Yaris. The videos of that will be up soon. I just need to find a little bit of time to finish the editing on it, and then we'll go from there. So not sure what you're going to see next that I'm actually building, but I'll keep you all updated as I go. Thank you very much for watching, and I will speak to you all soon. Have a nice summer.